Ever scratching your head over AWS? Today we are cracking open mysterious eggs that IAM User Group Policy. You'll be giggling and gasping as we conjure up some serious cloud magic. So, got your magic wand ready? Then let's put this confusion away and dive right in. Imagine that Amazon Web Services is like a magic kingdom with endless treasures, like gold, jewelries, and enchanted scroll. These treasures are actually like computer files and programs. But let's keep it fun. In this kingdom, there's a big shiny castle called IAM, which stands for Identity and Access Management. IAM is like a guardian who decided who can enter the castle and what they can do inside. Now, picture all your friends wanting to play in this castle. IAM says, wait a minute, let's get each friend a special custom. These customs are called user. Well, each friend or user get their own special key, like a magic wand, that allow them to open some doors and not others. But what if your friends want to play knights and princess together as a team? Well, IAM has a solution for that. It creates a groups. Groups are like when you and your friends form a team, maybe the Brave Knights or the Wise Wizard, and IAM give this team a bigger magic key that opens more doors. So, users are like your friends with their individual custom and small magic key, while groups are like teams of friends share a bigger magic key, and you, as the ruler of this kingdom, can decide which friends, user or team groups can find the hidden treasures, or maybe just play in the courtyard. Who knows? Remember, IAM is there to make sure everyone play nicely and no one get into the room they shouldn't be in. It's like the wise old wizard protecting the castle. And that, my little prince and princess, is how the magical world of AWS IAM users and groups works. You nailed the user groups and AWS universe. Now ready for the magic glue that bind them together? Say hello to IAM Policy. But what in the dragon's name is an IAM policy, you ask? Keep your eyes peeled and your wands ready, cause we are about to sprinkle some fun fairy dust on this concept. Stick around, adventure is about to get real. Okay, my little adventure, we are back in our magical kingdom with a giant castle that is guarded by the IAM. The wise old guardian wizard. Remember how we talked about friends dressed up as a knight and princess and getting the magic key? Now let's talk about the rule they need to follow inside the castle. These rules are called IAM Policy. Imagine a fairy floating around with a sparkling wand. This fairy is like a IAM policy. She whispers secrets into ears of your friends or user and the team or group. These secrets tell them what they can do or cannot do with their magic key inside the castle. For example, let's say one of your friends is dressing like a brave knight. The fairy might whisper, with your magic key, you can visit the treasure room, but you must not touch the dragon's skull. This means the knight can go to the treasure room, but cannot take any treasure. Now imagine another friend dressed up as an archer. The fairy might tell her, you can practice in the archery range, but don't go to the royal kitchen. That means that she can shoot arrows, but not sneak into the kitchen for a treat. These whispers from fairy are like IAM policy. They are the rules that tell your friends and team what they are allowed to do and what they are not allowed to do in the magical castle. And guess what? You, as the ruler of the kingdom, can ask the fairy to change the secrets she whispers. So, if you want the archer to also be able to make sandwich in the royal kitchen, just tell them the fairy. IAM policy help keep the kingdom safe and organized, so that everyone has a fun and magical adventure without any dragon getting angry or the treasure getting lost. And that, my friend, is enchanting tales of IAM policy in the kingdom of AWS. Congratulations! Give yourself a pat on the back. You have journeyed through the user, groups, and policy in the AWS Kingdom. Now, you can spin these tales around the campfire with family and friends. No dragon file can scare you. You have morphed into a formidable tech wizard. Can't wait to see you soon for more fun-filled lessons to level up your magic. Tech skill.